Good morning, teacher and classmates. My full name is Rafael Buitrago, and today I'm going to record the video about the activity.
What's your name?
My full name is Rafael Buitrago.
How do you spell your family name?
Buitrago.
Where are you from?
I'm from Ramiriquí, Boyacá. I am from Ramiriquí, Boyacá.
Are you working or studying at the moment?
I am working and studying at the same time.
How interested are you in learning about other countries?
I'm quite interested in learning about different cultures in different countries. I especially like to read and watch TV programs.
How do you enjoy spending your free time?
During my free time, I like to stay at home and sharing a delicious food with my family. Also, I like to go to the swimming pool and have a relaxing day.
What's the best way for you to improve your English?
My best way to improve my English is watching videos on YouTube channel, writing books, repeating what they say, and present tests or on internet.
If you could learn a new skill, what would it be?
I definitely improve my listening skills. I think this is essential, especially to understand uh, American people or foreign people. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon.